Hello student, in this video we see symbol used in hydraulic and pneumatic system for direction control valve. हे डायरेक्शन कंट्रोल वॉल चे सिम्बॉल आहे. हा जो सिम्बॉल आहे हा चेक वॉल साठी इथे वापरलेला आहे. मीन्स युनिडायरेक्शनल वॉल. हा ट्रायंगल आहे. या ट्रायंगल मध्ये हा एक बॉल दाखवलेला आहे. whenever fluid is flowing through this direction, this ball moves away and fluid is flowing through this side to this side, correct? And fluid flow only one direction, unidirectional, non-return wall. Fluid do not flow from this direction to this direction because this ball closes the passage. This ball closes this triangle, so fluid do not flow from this side to this side. Okay, so this is a symbol of check wall, non-return wall. This symbol is for 2x2 direction control wall. 2x2 means there are two ports. This is a pump port and this is a cylinder port A. And one square represent one position, means for one square represent one position, maybe extension, maybe retraction. Second position, second square represents second position. So this is a 2x2 direction control wall. This wall is 3x2 direction control wall, means here there are three ports. This is a pump port, cylinder port A, and here this is a tank port T. First square represents first position, second square represents second position. Third, this is a 4x2 direction control wall, means pump port, cylinder port A, cylinder port B, and this is a tank port T. First square represents first position, second square represents second position. Means first square represents extension of actuator, second position represents retraction of actuator. This is a 4x2 direction control wall. Here first square represent extension, second square represent retraction. Third wall, 4x3 direction control wall. 4x3 means there are four poles and three positions. This is the first position, extension. This is second position, retraction, and this is the mid position. Means mid position means there is no extension or retraction of actuator. Okay, so non-return wall, check wall, 2x2 direction control wall, 3x2 direction control wall, 4x2 direction control wall, and 4x3 direction control wall. And these are the various mid position of direction control wall. Okay, आपण थोडं पुढे जाऊ. So this is the check wall. This is the symbol of check wall. This wall normally allows fluid to flow through it only one direction. We have seen this. So next symbol is 2x2 direction control wall. This is a 2x2 direction control wall. Here 2x2. 2x2 means first digit number of port. This first digit represent number of port. Second digit represent number of position. Okay. So this is a 2x2 direction control wall. Similarly, there is 3x2 direction control wall. This is the symbol of 3x2 direction control wall. This first digit represent 3 port. Second digit represent number of position, means extension. In first position there is extension of actuator, in second position there is retraction of actuator, and there are 3 ports. This is a pump port P, cylinder port A, and this is a tank port T. Okay, so next 4x2 direction control wall हे आपण पाहिलं. This is 4x2. there are 4 ports. 4x2 and 4x3 डायरेक्शन कंट्रोल वॉल मध्ये एवढाच डिफरन्स आहे. 4x2 and 4x3 डायरेक्शन कंट्रोल वॉल याच्यामध्ये फक्त म्हणजे 4x2 मध्ये 4 पोर्ट असतात, 4x3 मध्ये 4 पोर्ट असतात. पण 4x2 मध्ये हा याच्यात 2 मीन्स 2 पोझिशन, एक्सटेन्शन अँड रिट्रॅक्शन. 3 मीन्स देर आर 3 पोझिशन. फर्स्ट स्क्वेअर रिप्रेझेंट एक्सटेन्शन, सेकंड स्क्वेअर रिप्रेझेंट रिट्रॅक्शन, and this is a third square that represent mid position. Okay, so that is the difference between 4x2 and 4x3 direction control wall. 4x2 and 4x3 direction control valve are used for actuation of double acting cylinder. 3x2 direction control valve is used for actuation of single acting cylinder. 2x2 valve is used for actuation of again single acting cylinder. Check valve is used check valve is used with flow control valve. Correct? Means there is inbuilt check valve with flow control valve. Okay. So we see. So these are the various position. There are various types of position. So this is the open center. Open center means what? All port. This is a mid position. This is a pump port. This is a tank port. This is cylinder port A. This is cylinder port B. All ports are connected to each other. That is called as open center mid position for 4x3 direction control valve. Okay. आता तुम्ही जर याच्यात पाहिलं इथे त्याने अजून डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन दिलेलं आहे. इथे बघा या फर्स्ट पोझिशन मध्ये हायड्रॉलिक ऑइल फ्लोज फ्रॉम पंप टू सिलेंडर पोर्ट ए. That hydraulic oil admitted in this actuator and double acting cylinder actuate. There is extension of cylinder. Okay. आता सेकंड पोझिशन बघा. सेकंड पोझिशन मध्ये काय होईल? ही सेकंड पोझिशन, ही मिड पोझिशन. हियर पंप पोर्ट, cylinder port A, cylinder port B and this tank port, all ports are connected to each other. There is no extension or there is no retraction in this mid position. Okay, so this is a mid position. Now in this third position, there is retraction. Hydraulic oil flows through pump port to cylinder port B and cylinder port A to tank port T. So there is a retraction of double acting cylinder. Hydraulic oil flows through P to B and A to D. Means in first position there is extension. In this position there is retraction, and this is a mid position. That is called as open center position. Okay. Now we will shift to next. Closed center means all ports are closed. Means hydraulic, this is pump port, cylinder port A, cylinder port B, and this is a tank port. All ports are closed. Next mid position, tandem center means pump cylinder port A and cylinder port B. These two ports are closed and pump port is connected to tank port. That is called as tandem center mid position. Okay. Next position, regenerative center means tank port only, there is only tank port is closed. Pump port is connected to cylinder port A and cylinder port B. Means three ports are connected to each other. Pump port, cylinder port A and cylinder port B. Only tank port T is closed. Here in tandem center, pump port and tank port, these two ports are connected to each other. In cylinder port A and B are closed. Float center. In float center, pump port is closed. Cylinder port A, cylinder port B and tank port T. Three ports are connected to each other. Means these are the 5 types of mid position in 4x3 direction control valve. Open center. Open center means all ports are connected to each other. Closed center means what? All ports are closed. Tandem center means what? Cylinder port A and cylinder port B are closed. Pump port and tank port are connected to each other. In regenerative center, tank port T is closed. Pump port, cylinder port A and cylinder port B are connected to each other. In float center, only pump port is closed. So these are the various differences between mid position of 4x3 direction control valve. आता पुढची जी वॉल आहे हे मेथड ऑफ ऑपरेशन म्हणजे हँड लिव्हर ऑपरेटेड डायरेक्शन कंट्रोल वॉल आहे, पाम बटन ऑपरेटेड आहे, फूट पॅडल ऑपरेटेड आहे, पायलट ऑपरेटेड आहे. रोलर ऑपरेटेड आहे का स्प्रिंग रिटर्न टाइप आहे, डिटेन टाइप आहे. These are the symbol on basis of method of operation of control valve. त्या ऑपरेट कशा होत आहे, म्हणजे आपण हँड ऑपरेटेड करतोय, फूट ऑपरेटेड करतोय, लिव्हर ऑपरेटेड करतोय, पाम बटन ऑपरेटेड आहे, कॅम ऑपरेटेड आहे, पायलट ऑपरेटेड आहे. या अकॉर्डिंग टू मेथड ऑफ ऑपरेशन, these are the various types of symbol. These are the method of operation of control valve. Detain type, spring return type, hand lever operated, palm button operated, foot pedal operated, roller operated, pilot operated. So these are the, according to the method of actuation, these are the various symbols used in hydraulic and pneumatic system. Okay. तर आपण सगळ्यात पहिले आपण स्टार्टिंग जिथून केली व्हिडिओची, तर हे चेक वॉल, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज नॉन रिटर्न वॉल. हे याच्यावर ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह क्वेश्चन येतात. ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह क्वेश्चन ऑन सिम्बॉल यूज इन हायड्रॉलिक अँड न्यूमॅटिक सिस्टम. दिस इज अ चेक वॉल, नॉन रिटर्न वॉल. दिस इज 2x2 डायरेक्शन कंट्रोल वॉल, 3x2 डायरेक्शन कंट्रोल वॉल, 4x2 direction control valve. This is a 4x3 direction control valve, and this is a mid position. These are the various types of mid position: open center, closed center, tandem center, regenerative type, float type. These are the 5 types of mid position used in 4x3 direction control valve. ही त्याची समरी आहे. ओके. तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असल्यास लाईक, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब, कॉमेंट करा. थँक्यू.